Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. What does a tremolo pedal do? Actually, what is tremolo? Concerning guitar pedals, tremolo is a variation in amplitude or volume. A tremolo effects pedal rapidly turns the volume of a signal up and down, creating a shuddering effect on the guitar sound. A true tremolo for any electronic signal would normally be produced by a simple amplitude modulation electronic circuit, giving us electronic tremolo. The pedal that we are using in this video is the Danelectro Billionaire Filthy Rich Vintage Tremolo Effects Pedal. The Filthy Rich Tremolo pedal uses the same tremolo circuit made famous by Danelectro amps of the 1940s and 1950s. This pedal does not take a battery, so we will be using a compatible power supply. First, we'll plug in the power supply. Next, we'll plug in the amp cable. After plugging in the instrument cable, we are ready to test out the unit. Our pedal is now off. We have three controls on this pedal. One is the speed control, which decides how fast the tremolo effect will change. We have a depth control that will make the pedal sound deeper if we need it. We have a hard soft switch on this unit that lets us choose the type of tremolo that we want. We have the speed and the depth of the pedal both set at 12 o'clock. This way we'll hear what the pedal sounds like when we turn it on. We have the hard soft switch on this unit set for soft. The soft setting will give us the classic soft oscillation of a 60s tube amp. So let's turn the pedal on. We'll move the speed to see what it sounds like if it changes faster. We can turn up the depth so that the tremolo is more pronounced. Now if we switch the unit to the hard setting will simulate the sound of the instrument being turned on and off. and using the hard-soft switch, we can choose between the two of smooth, creamy swells or staccato bursts. Well, that's the skinny on the tremolo pedal. Be sure to check out the next monthly YouTube installment of What Does a Guitar Pedal Do? Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.